Welcome, photography enthusiasts. Today, we dive into the exciting world of Nikon's latest offering, the highly anticipated Nikon Z6 III. While the camera is yet to hit the shelves, we've gathered some juicy details from various sources to give you a sneak peek of what could be one of the best cameras in 2023. Let's start with the heart of the camera, the sensor. Rumor has it that the Z6 III will boast a 33-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor designed to rival the Sony A7 IV. Expect stunning image quality with a broad dynamic range. Filmmakers, get ready to be blown away. The Nikon Z6 III can shoot 4K videos at a maximum frame rate of 60 frames per second. And if you're a fan of slow motion, fear not, because the Z6 III can capture full HD videos at 120 frames per second, allowing you to create those breathtaking slow motion shots. If you're after maximum editing flexibility, the Z6 III even supports external 10-bit video recording. The possibilities are endless. The need for speed? You've got it. The Nikon Z6 III boasts a lightning-fast burst mode, capturing up to 20+ images per second both mechanically and electronically. Say goodbye to missed moments during fast-paced action. Shake-free footage and sharp photos are guaranteed with up to 6 stops of in-body image stabilization, just like its Z-series siblings. Focusing has never been easier. The Nikon Z6 III features an advanced autofocus system that automatically detects multiple subject types, from people to animals, birds, and vehicles. No matter how small the subject is, the Z6 III will recognize and track it. And let's not forget about lenses. With a wide variety of Nikon Z lenses available, from the versatile 50mm f1.8 for dreamy portraits to the powerful 100 to 400mm for wildlife enthusiasts, you'll find the perfect glass for every situation. The Z6 III comes equipped with a 3.2-inch articulating touchscreen. Its tiltable and rotatable design allows for easy framing from various angles, making it perfect for vloggers and creative shooters. Sharing your masterpieces is a breeze with built-in Wi-Fi. Plus, the Z6 III features dual storage slots for increased capacity and peace of mind. And when the lights go down, the Z6 III keeps up. Its impressive low-light capabilities ensure sharp focus, even in challenging environments. With the Z6 III, there's never too much action. Capture fast-paced scenes with ease, thanks to its lightning-fast burst mode that rivals some of the best cameras on the market. So there you have it, the Nikon Z6 III, a potential game-changer for both photographers and filmmakers alike. As we eagerly await its official announcement, we can only imagine the incredible shots and cinematic masterpieces it will deliver. Stay tuned for more updates and make sure to hit that subscribe button to join us on this photographic journey. Thanks for watching.